Okay, so we're at Brookshire's in Terrell for proof. Maybe. Aha, there you go. We just watched Grown Ups, and it was actually really good. It was funny. I don't know if they actually put blue stuff that made your pee turn blue, like, you know, anyways. So this is my cousin Eli. Say hi. He's 8, and he's eating Skittles. And this is my brother. He's kind of mad right now. His name's Trey. He's 9. About to be 10 though. And I'm Jaylee, by the way. I'm 76. No, I'm kidding. I'm 13.
No, she's not. She is not 78.
I'm 13.
She said.
It doesn't matter what I said. I lied. Okay? I never lie. I never lie. I tell the truth.
You do lie.
What was that?
You do lie.
I don't lie. I'm perfect. I'm a perfect little angel.
No, you're not.
LMAO. I'm just
Yes,
kidding.
she is. No, she's
See, that's why I like this dude. He's truthful, just like me. We're both truthful.
Whatever.
My brother's the oddball. I'm just kidding.
She's the dumbest person on the earth. He's the second dumbest person on earth. And
Why are you holding him like that?
because the dumb fuck.